Welcome to live transmissions of the Bonneview TV, the TV arm of the Bonneview group of newspapers, as we give you live transmission of the event of the moment, which is the boat regatta in honor of Chief Ada-elect, as today he becomes part of history to be the first chief after the very chief Ada-elect himself in 18th century to occupy that stool. We are at the coal beach. Of course, our high-powered cameras can see the regatta as it gradually comes close to the shores of the coal beach. We're well informed that the chief had to pay a courtesy call to Uluman, since Ada-elect himself had his origin from Uluman. In a couple of moments from now, they will arrive, and of course, they shall be welcomed by the youths, the women, the Ogbu of Allison House, waiting earnestly at the beach. Bonneview group of newspapers is happy to bring this historic event to you.
Like this, they want some people. Hot House is not left in the occasion as they came in their numbers and with their work to grace the event. So you can see the Hot House of Ogu performing live
at the Cool Beach. The reception of Chief Ada Alison, the man and masterpiece of the movement. This was happy once again to be part of this historic moment.